Today we're in Garrett, Kentucky. The C&O Railroad runs through the middle of town. And former mining camp houses climb the hillside as if they were fitted on an escalator. Beaver Creek splits Garrett and West Garrett apart as it meanders its way toward the Big Sandy River in Allen, Kentucky. Let's just take a stroll around and see what we see. A vacant lot. Have the Marathon gas station in Garrett. This is late September. Looks like gasoline price is $3.49 and 9/10. Also the Garrett Fountain Pizza Restaurant. The New Beginnings Outreach Church, which is housed in what was formerly a grocery store. This is the Francis Building, built by Bill Francis, an Italian immigrant who came to Garrett from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and ended up owning the town's waterworks. This building housed a hotel, a sundry store, a hardware, and a dry goods store. Next to the Francis Building is the Garrett Auto Parts Store. We have the Garrett First Baptist Church Youth Center, the Baptist Church, Garrett Post Office. The Garrett Post Office was founded in 1910 when the community was given the name of Ballard. However, it was changed to Garrett in 1914 and named for John and Robert Garrett, who were Baltimore bankers and coal company financiers. Next to the post office we have Rustic Roots Variety Store. On the other side of the post office is Hannicount Manor Bikes and Books, where bikes go to get ready to ride. Looks like you can get parts for your bicycle, you can get your bicycle fixed, or you can get a used bicycle right here in Garrett. If this business is open and yard sale inside, I don't know if you can have a yard sale inside. Is it really a yard sale? I guess it would be an inside sale. Unique mode of transportation in this area. Today is Friday, which means it's grill out day at Campbell's Grocery. That right now.
Yeah.
I stopped in at Campbell's on grill out day for a burger and baked potato. The sign says no trespassing and to beware of the dog. Another shot of those mining camp houses climbing the hillside. It's a beautiful day today. Backside of the Baptist church with a back rear parking lot. It's a little far walking distance, so we'll take a ride over to the west side of town and take a look at the suburbs. for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos to come. This is the Appalachian Tourist. Over and out.